Okay, there we go. Start a question, UA poll. Let's do that. Start a poll. Am I dumb? Yes or no? Start a poll. If anyone votes in here, we're gonna know. So today we're doing a Leetcode problem. Delete columns and make it sorted. Seems complicated. Threesome sounds really easy. Let's do threesome. Let's see. Given an integer array nums, return all triplets nums I, j, k, such that I does not equal j, I does not equal k, and j does not equal k. And all of them together equals 0. So we get nums of 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, and 4. We could do -1, -1, and 2. And then we could have -1, 0, and 1. Because 0, 1, and 2 equals 0. 1, 2, and 4 equals 0. Two. So yeah, that's 0, 3, and 4. Here's what I saw right here. I think the first one is right. Then 1, 2, and 4. Why is 1, 2, and 4 not in the output? 1, 2, and 4. Oh, because those are they're rearranged, but they're the same, pretty much. If I output -1, 0, 1 twice, does that work? I don't know about. So if I do it twice, is that going to fail the test case, or is it still passing because it's the same number? it's wrong. So we gotta check if that's in the vector. Okay. Okay. So we can do this the slow way, which it seems like most people do it the slow way. I don't know of a faster way of doing this. So we need this to be the return array. That's what we're going to return. And then the worst way of doing this would just do the equation here. Int I equals 0. Like just to do this. Just put that in an int, just so we have length here, so we're not calling nums.size all the time. I don't really know the syntax of this, so we're gonna need check if that value's already in the array. Let me go to my dashboard real quick. It's under YouTube Studio now. Was a live dashboard under Studio? Maybe. Let's see. Switch account to this crappy. Oh, 7 years old today. Nice, nice, nice. What's that? I don't want analytics, maybe. Am I not streaming? I thought I was streaming. It says I'm streaming. What? Just have the chat on a different tab, whatever. Let's just do this the wrong way. Is less than size. I plus plus. And then we're gonna do this again. Just copy that. Yeah. Yay. It's gonna be size -2. J equals I plus 1. size -1. Do this again. 4K equals J plus 1 size. Sum equals nums of I plus nums of j plus nums if sum equals 0, we insert, which should be the return vector push back. And I think that's right. I don't know the syntax of this. C++ vector. The CPP reference. Push underscore back. I don't know if we gotta have a memory reference of that or not, but I think we could just put that down. Just return the return vector. The this is length. Change this to size. The easiest way to do it on here. Then I misspelled return vector. Return vector, pushback. Vector. Can't type today. Return vector.
Go cover up.
Return vector. No. We got nothing correct. 0, 0, 0. It's doing it multiple times. And then case 1. We're getting. You got the first one right. But we're not getting. So we have some math problems going wrong here. Let's see. That -2. -1. Oh, that's because I didn't change these letters here. That's why. That's why it's not working. That's why we don't copy and paste. Okay. Okay. Well, this is work. Now we just gotta get rid of duplicates. So we gotta figure out. So this works. Now we gotta figure out how to get rid of a duplicate entry. And I mean, we could use a char map of just values of this number's already in here. If it's already in here, we get rid of it. Only have unique numbers. But then that wouldn't work because we can have two negatives in a row. So that won't work. So right here, we're gonna have to do a search. We're just gonna do an auto search here. Oh, for valve and is that how you do that? I don't know. No audio playing, but I'm talking. That means you don't turn off. Damn Corsair. I don't really even know what's Corsair audio playing or not. So Valve, and then what we gotta do in Valve? How do I see if an int's inside of vect? I mean, I could do a really sloppy way. For int t inside val. This is not the right way to do it, but Oh, I could just do an if statement. I could sort it. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's what we. That's what, I guess that's what we gotta do. Is we just gotta sort it. Over here, we're gonna sort it. We got vector v, and it's gonna be these three numbers right here. We got vector v right here. And then we sort it. Make a boolean of exist equals false. And if val of 0, we compare two vectors. Does that work? Yeah, it says it should work. Even though they're not the same memory address, I don't think this requires memory. I'm just gonna do exist equals true. And if it doesn't exist, we push it back. Let's run this, check for typos. What was that comp? Oh, let's do sort. Oh, if we want to do it backwards, okay, we don't need comp. And that works. So the question is this going to be too slow? Is it going to be too slow? Am I doing too many operations? Am I going to fail this problem? Or is this the right way to do it? Let's see. Hit submit. That's going to time out, most likely. Because there's a faster way to do it, isn't there? We got a wrong answer. We gave a duplicate answer still. How is this possible? Okay. What's going on here? We got two -1s. Why is that failing? Why is that? Why is this? Because it's not sorting it. Why is that not being sorted? We have 1, -1, and -1. That doesn't do it. I mean, we're getting the numbers here, but then it's putting it in twice. Is there a way to remove duplicates? I don't know, we just copied this and like, oh, somehow there's a duplicate. Somehow there's still a duplicate. Slow, but it fixes the problem. Okay, that mic's not working. My headset died, so I had to plug in. Hey, we got a poll of Am I Dumb? Thank you for your vote. So, why is this incorrect? We got -505. Because it's still not being sorted. We see it here. 0, -55. Okay, it's not being sorted here. Victor V begin and Victor V ends. Why is this not being sorted? Why is this not being sorted? So we see our output here. That's sorted. That's sorted. That's sort. That's sorted. This is sorted. This is sorted. And then we get to here. 0, -5, 5 is no longer sort. We got I, J, and K. Why is this not being sorted? Stack Overflow. That's not right. Okay, I don't know why, but we're just gonna have to do this. What?
There's something strange about my iPad. Every time I open it, it switched to another picture.
That's fine. It's just showing you your different pictures.
Can you fix my background?
No, it just wants you to see all your pretty pictures.
I know. I remember my past.
Well, yeah, it doesn't really fucking matter.
Reference to a non-static member function must be called. Good ChatGPT. I need ChatGPT to tell me what the fuck this shit is, because I don't know. Reference to a non-static member function must be called. What?
What photo do you even want, Lorelai?
Is Is this a function that's in the standard library? Can I just do it backwards?
Remember though? Like it's the one that always is. The one that
Okay.
I don't know, or like maybe choose a different photo from one.
One of these ones, like
I think it's because of that.
Just choose.
this one. That's kind of blurry. It's one that's not blurry. And I got this stuck in here. I'm going to use the tweezer to get it out.
Do not touch my tweezers.
I need them to get it out. I need them to get it out.
No, I'm busy now. Marla, I am busy. I don't even have tweezers over here.
I'm gonna bring you these tweezers.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not sorting
I
this
can't
though.
find the tweezers. Where did you have the tweezers last?
We gotta figure out why it's not sorting.
Where did you
Can I get rid of that?
Lorelai, you asked me to do this for you. Please stop.
All I found is a giant crochet.
Yeah, leave my stuff alone.
I'm trying to find the tweezers.
Leave it alone. My tweezers are not for you to touch, so leave them alone.
So
But I can't get it out.
let's not worry about the duplicates. Let's see why it's duplicating it
Stop
with
putting
our
shit
sort
in things. You ever
method.
think about that? I can only do one thing at a time. Do I look like I have multiple fucking arms?
No.
What if I just sort will this get rid of all my issues if I just sort it? Yes. Just have to sort it at the beginning.
You should really update your photo.
Me?
Yeah, for your background, you should choose a different one.
Time limit exceeded. We're too slow.
That one
Yeah, but now I have to fucking find it, Lorelai. And you have a lot of photos.
Okay.
because I'm camera obsessed.
Your sister's not
So, like I said,
a kid.
it's probably going to be too slow because now we have to sort it at the beginning.
Oh no, I can't get any more.
Yeah? Stop touching shit.
No, that's it.
I know.
So is there a way we can get this to be faster?
Take this and go.
Now can you get that thing out?
Just shut up.
Can you get that blue thing out of that purple?
No, I'm tired of you putting toys in things that don't belong and then expecting me just to be able to get it out.
I promise I won't do it.
Yeah, that's what you said the last 2 times. I promise I won't do it again.
I promise I won't do
I
it.
promise.
I'm serious now.
Yeah, I heard that before too.
Is there a way we can make this faster now? I could look at the solution, but that's cheating. I'm already quote unquote cheating too much because I don't know how to sort things, but we're going through the array three times, 4
You
times.
just don't even want to get I'm doing. What do you think this is called?
Try and get this.
Oh. I don't know what you're doing in there, but stop.
Why?
Because I said so.
Okay. So we're gonna remove duplicates
Yes.
again.
Do you really want to try me when I'm trying to do shit for you?
Is that gonna be too slow? Maybe.
Get out of the kitchen now. Get out of the kitchen. If you don't get out of the kitchen, I'm not doing this. I'm not even gonna try.
We'll see. Use this test case. It's gonna say time limit exceeded, isn't it? Time limit exceeded, isn't it? For this, no, see, it's just all in general. So after we sort it, we're gonna go through.
I'm done. No, I'm done.
No!
No, you're not listening again.
We only need 2.
Here you go, Lorelai.
So if nums a equals nums a plus 2,
You're not getting the green piece.
we're
That is
gonna
a piece for the cap to a
remove.
needle. You don't need that. Now go to your room and shut the door.
C plus factor, how do I remove something?
And what is this for? Another capstone needle?
Yep. Thank you.
2 caps go together with my needles?
Mm-hmm. Go to your room. Shut your door. So you can watch your projector.
I don't know. C plus plus remove.
Get out of my shoe.
I'm not in.
Laura, I just saw you in my shoe.
I'm right.
You know, liars don't get presents. I'm done.
I'm not right.
Really? Let me see. That's my shoe. Shut your door.
Oh, your shirt sir wasn't wearing any clothes.
No shit, Sherlock. We've already been over this. Shut your door.
I guess that, I don't know. Let's just do size minus minus. So we're only missing one. Okay, I guess we need 3. Guess we technically need 3 for all 3 zeros. But any more than 3 we don't need. No, we got a wrong answer for that. Why is that? Yep, that's not working either. So that was a waste of time. This is already sorted because we sort the numbers at the start. This is just too slow still. If we get rid of that one sort. Yeah. I don't know how to make this any faster. It's correct. It's not correct Leetcode standards because they're using big numbers. So what do they want? Oh. Okay, let's see. They got nice. They got answers. They sorted at the first. Yep. Okay, that's what we did. If nums 0 and nums I equals nums I minus 1, continue. Int left, int right. Well, left is less than right. We get the sum of everything. If all the answers are right, we push back, and then we go from the left to the right. Oh, did you say that I'm bad at code, Seth, on the poll? Thank you. So they're doing left and right instead of blah blah blah, which I guess, yeah, you could. The way they're doing left and right. Oh, they're getting it down, which makes sense. If I add a continue right here, does that just speed it up? Is this any faster? I don't think it's faster, but yeah, we're still succeeding. Like, what if I just break the loop right here? And just put j equals size. We'll break out of this loop. And this doesn't work. Because that's too slow. So if I just do j++, which is going to be... Okay, that makes it a little bit faster. Is this fast enough for you, Leetcode, or is it too slow still? Do I really gotta go left and right? Oh, I got a wrong answer now. So this is all correct, but they want us to go left and right. Which makes sense. Do we really gotta go left and right? Because we can break out of this loop right here. Nums of I is greater than 0. Because we're adding 3 numbers together. So and this is sorted now. So, with them all together, if it's greater than 1, we can just continue. And we can do this check as well down here. I mean, this got a problem down to half. Just doing that check. Is that fast enough for you, Leetcode, if I do half the problem? Is that fast enough? It's not fast enough. Okay. We got the problem down to half. Even though I don't think going left and right is going to be any faster. I mean, we could. Get down by 5 seconds by just not uttering that. Is that fast enough for you, Leetcode? Or is it gonna be like, yeah, you're going too slow? Time limit exceeded. Okay. Okay. So we can be smart here. So let's be a little bit smart here. Okay. It can't be 0 if it's positive. So the first number has to be negative. Okay. J. What do we know about J? It can be negative or positive or 0. Can't do anything about J. But we know about K. If our sum is 0, we're going to make it into a vector. Can I break out of a for loop? Break versus continue C++. Break statement immediately terminates the intervals of closing loop. So we do a break here, and I think that's gonna be right. Yeah. So we got to 280. Is this fast enough if I break out of the inner loop? Ooh, we're so close. We only had 5 more, so we got to get a little bit more faster to get 5 more tests done. And I think it's because of this right here. So we're just going to go back to...
Mom,
What?
look, I know how to do this one like you guys can do. Like go to tickets. I get a ticket and I get
we break out of there.
Then I'm free till
I'm just gonna come back here and just remove duplicates. So we're only iterating over our thing once. We're still getting a time limit exceeded. So how do I do a left and right search? Like, I don't even feel like left and right's faster. Like, I don't... This one guy, he has... Okay, let's read what he says. You're given an array, find A, B, C equals 0. Triplets must be unique. Order almost does not matter. Brute force is too slow. N of 3. If sorted, we can fix one element, solve the remaining problem using 2 pointers. Make sure to make duplicate handling easy. That reduces the problem to in a square. So we sort. We go through our first thing. Skip duplicate elements first. Why? Prevents generating the same triplet multiple times. Ensures each value is used once. This is first element. We get 2 pointers, left and right. We move through the pointers until they're identical. We push back. We'll skip duplicates, duplicate second and third. Move both pointers, adjust pointers based to sum. We return our answer. What did I copy? I think I copied this. Right, yeah. He used this as n, so let's just keep that as n. And he made this as answer. Then he returns an answer. Which is apparently faster. Oh, okay. This is where we skip duplicates. That's what he did right there. So that's skipping duplicates right there. And then if that, okay, that makes sense. Like I said, I'm dumb, but that's this week's episode of Being an Idiot on Leetcode. I'll be back next week. No, not next week. I'm going to Cancun next week, so I'll be back next year after the New Year's. We're gonna be doing more of these Being an Idiot on Leetcode streams. Thank you for watching.